Adivasis in the Jashpur area of Chhattisgarh have now realized the hidden potential of a simple yellow flower they have been using for ages. Mahua flower's potential to join the fight against coronavirus. These Adivasi women are using Mahua flowers to develop herbal effective sanitizers. Let's see their story and see how the sanitizer is being made. Mahua trees are a gift for the jungles of central India. Chhattisgarh is one of the Indian states which gets ornamented with these flowers in the summers. Mahua trees are found in abundance in Jashpur area. For the tribals of Jashpur, they are considered sacred trees, and Mahua flowers are their essential elements during celebrations, be it birth, death, marriage, or even livelihood and daily needs. Interestingly, there is even a village named Mahua in Jashpur. These flowers have been traditionally known for their medicinal properties. They are also used to make edible syrups and jams. But most importantly, they add an extra spice in the lives of tribals by the local country liquor that is produced when the flowers are fermented. During the summers, when these flowers fall on the ground, the tribal women pick them up and put them in baskets for their multiple uses. To their surprise, this time the tribal women were given the task of using Mahua as a hidden warrior in this fight against coronavirus. Scientist Samarth Jain came up with the idea of using Mahua flowers to develop herbal hand sanitizers from the base of the traditional Mahua brew. He sensed that there was a growing demand for alcohol-based sanitizers in the state and approached the Adivasi women from Jashpur, who brought with them their natural skills, knowledge of traditional brew and respect for Mahua. He trained these women for the production of sanitizers. They call this sanitizer Madhukam. The women of the community are looking at it as a big window of opportunity which opens up more employment and better livelihood. Mahua brew has been a part of the Adivasi life and identity, and the women are happy that the Mahua brew that was earlier made by them for domestic consumption would now be used for a greater cause. Now let's quickly see how the sanitizer is made. First, the raw material, Mahua flower, is collected and segregated. This is to be done with perfection, and here is where the tribal women's experience comes into play. Then the next process is fermentation. Machines are being developed for the process to meet the increasing scale and demand. Although tribal women are familiar with the fermentation process because of their knowledge about alcohol making, but for the production of the sanitizer, they are being trained to follow the required specific process. The next process is done in the lab where the alcohol is purified and distilled to get the required alcohol content for sanitizer, which is 60 to 65%. The sanitizers are then packed in 100 ml bottles. The first lot of samples prepared by the women was given to the police force on duty to fight COVID-19. The team led by Jain is motivated to fulfill the demands of the state. This would give a big boost to the local economy, empower women, and give a deeper meaning to Atmanirbhar Bharat. You stay connected and keep watching Swaraj.